Hey my cuties, today's video is going to be so cute, spicy, and relatable. We're talking about why he literally can't get enough of your energy. Yes, the way you laugh, tease, and light up everything around you. I've put so much effort into this one to make it accurate, fun, and perfect for my people. So stay till the end because every tip is adorable, flirty, and totally actionable. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. 1. Your laugh is his favorite song. Your laugh isn't just cute, it's like a tiny spark he can't ignore. When you giggle at something silly, it's playful, genuine, and impossible to forget. Every time he hears it, he feels happy, safe, and a little addicted to your vibe. That little sound becomes his mental replay all day. He starts craving it without realizing. Even tiny snickers or breathy laughs make him feel drawn to you. Your laugh signals that you're confident and comfortable in your skin, which is insanely attractive. He might catch himself smiling out of nowhere just thinking about it. That's how addictive your energy becomes. Soft, warm, and absolutely unforgettable. 2. Your teasing drives him crazy. When you lightly tease him or playfully joke, he can't stop thinking about it. Those little sparks of flirtiness make moments feel electric. He notices you're teasing more than you think and starts replaying your words, expressions, and smirks in his head. It makes your energy feel spicy, fun, and impossible to ignore. The best part? It's not aggressive or mean. It's soft, cute, and playful. He starts associating you with excitement, joy, and little butterflies. Your energy leaves a mark without even trying. That tiny combination of flirty teasing and cuteness? Totally addictive. He's thinking about you even when you're not around. Number 3, your smile lights up his brain. When you smile at him, it's not just a smile, it's a full-on vibe shift. Your happiness is contagious, playful, and makes him feel something warm inside. That tiny gesture becomes his favorite mental replay. Even a soft, small smile gets stored in his memory like a mini spark of joy he wants to chase. Smiling makes you approachable, but also irresistible. He starts waiting for those moments without even realizing it. That energy feels natural, light, and flirty, and he's hooked. Even remembering your little smiles makes his chest tighten in the cutest way. That's the soft, spicy energy that makes him addicted. 4. Your little random quirks. From weird hand gestures to the way you scrunch your nose or tilt your head, those tiny quirks are gold. He starts noticing them because they're uniquely yours. Every little weird, playful habit becomes a signature he can't forget. He catches himself smiling thinking about them without warning. Quirks make you fun, playful, and unpredictable in the cutest way. He starts associating those moments with excitement and joy. The randomness of your energy creates little emotional sparks that stick in his brain. You don't even need to try. Being naturally cute and spicy is enough to make him addicted. 5. Your playful teasing over text. Those little flirty texts, emojis, or funny gifs, he notices everything. Even tiny attention in a playful way makes him want more. Your words are soft, cute, and spicy at the same time, like a sugar rush he can't resist. He starts checking his phone, hoping to catch a glimpse of your energy again. It's not clingy or overbearing. It's playful and teasing. Your energy shines through every little message, and he can't get enough. He starts remembering your texts later in the day, smiling at nothing. Those mini flirty moments leave mental imprints he can't shake, and that's exactly why your energy becomes addictive. Number 6, the way you get excited when you're excited about literally anything, a song, a movie, or even a small random thing, he notices. Your energy is contagious and makes him feel giddy too. He starts remembering how cute and genuine you look when your eyes light up and your hands move like magic. That excitement becomes something he craves. Even little bursts of joy create memories in his head. He starts replaying them without realizing. Your energy is playful, genuine, and soft. A perfect mix for addiction. Those moments stick because he associates them with happiness, fun, and the cutest version of you. That's how you make him think about you nonstop. Number 7, your I'm just me vibe. You don't need to act or try too hard. Being yourself is enough. That effortless vibe is rare and incredibly addictive. He notices your natural energy in everything you do, from the way you walk to your casual smiles and random gestures. It's authentic, soft, and impossible to copy. Your energy tells him you're fun, chill, and completely yourself. and that's magnetic. He starts remembering your little movements, expressions, and tone without realizing it. That authenticity becomes a mental loop he can't escape. Just being your cute, spicy, playful self is all it takes to keep him hooked. See? It's not about drama, over-texting, or playing games. It's about the soft, playful, addictive energy you naturally give off. Your laugh, smile, quirks, and vibe are enough to make him think about you all day. If you love this video, like, share, and subscribe to SoulSync. And tell me in the comments, which part of your energy do you think makes him addicted?